In this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to install Node.js on Ubuntu 22.04. Before we start, you'll need a non-root user account with sudo privileges on your Ubuntu system. This tutorial works for Ubuntu 24.04, 22.04, and 20.04. If you're using an older version, I recommend upgrading first, since those versions are no longer supported. Let's start with the simplest method, using Ubuntu's default repositories. First, we'll update our package index by running sudo apt update. Then we'll install Node.js with sudo apt install nodejs. This gives us a stable version that's perfect for quick experimentation. After installation, we can verify it worked by running node v to see the version number. You'll also want to install npm, the package manager, with sudo apt install npm. Next, if you need a specific version of Node.js, the node source PPA is your best bet. This method gives you access to more recent versions than the default repositories. We'll download the installation script with curl, then inspect it to make sure it's safe. After running the script with sudo, we can install the newer version of Node.js. The great thing about this method is that the nodejs package includes both Node and npm together. Now for the most flexible option, Node Version Manager, or NVM. This is perfect if you're actively developing and need to switch between different Node.js versions. We'll install NVM using a curl command from their GitHub page, then source our bashyar.c file to use it. With NVM, you can see all available Node versions with NVM list remote. Install any version you want and easily switch between them using NVM use. You can even set a default version for new shell sessions. Finally, there's installing from source code. This is for advanced users who need custom configurations or specific optimizations. We'll install the build tools first, download the Node.js source code, extract it, and compile it ourselves. This method takes longer but gives you complete control over the installation. It's mainly useful for Node.js development, or when you need features not available in the packaged versions. Before we wrap up, let me show you how to remove Node.js if you ever need to. The removal method depends on how you installed it, whether through apt, from source, or using NVM. This section covers all the different uninstallation scenarios, so you can cleanly remove Node.js and start fresh if needed. And that's it. You now know 4 different ways to install Node.js on Ubuntu, from simple to advanced. Choose the method that best fits your development needs.